What's up? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Rod Wave.
Yes.
Rod Wave.
I hope it's a positive song now.
Yeah, no more asking for hugs.
I saw some kids on TikTok, they were like, who do you think is the biggest cap of an artist? Some kid was saying Rod Wave. They're like, why? It's like, man, if he was really that depressed, he should have killed himself by now.
He probably tried. He tried to hang himself on the ceiling. Came back. Came back and hit him in the head.
It was full of dust.
Yeah. And then he tried the peel thing.
But it digested them.
Yeah. He just digested the motherfuckers. But that's a joke. That's all.
We're joking.
That's all jokes. Yeah, and
Come see me.
I've actually been seeing I've actually been watching his music videos. Remember when I told you the last reaction?
Mm-hmm.
That was the first ever song I ever heard of his.
Mm-hmm.
But I was looking at his interviews. He's a very nice guy.
Mm-hmm.
He's genuinely a very nice guy. But yeah, that we're gonna be reacting to Rod Wave. Come see me.
I think it's the same energy, but okay. Let's see.
Depression. Nice.
Desire of the beat.
My mama told me to make it work, but Usher told me to let it burn. I used to see it call my phone and get butterfly.
Those are two different things.
You should never take a verse from Usher, especially about burning.
These days my stomach turn. I don't know why I think about you all the time. I was hoping this is love and you ain't just down for the ride. Tell me what could make a grown man lay down and cry. Maybe what he thought was real love he watched die. Problems drive me insane, shit been wrecking my brain. I've been popping these Percocets to cool with the pain. Everyone thinks the root of my problem is a broken heart, but ever since a juvenile.
I'm tired of people say they're popping Percocets.
Yeah. You guys are millionaires. Go to fucking therapy.
Besides that, please take 500 milliliters of heroin. Help the world.
What would that big? Oh, you want them? Jesus Christ.
Now I've been lonely and lost. And you know when you met me, I didn't do drugs at all. I got a dose of your love, hook like fentanyl. They say the later you wait to quit, the harder you fall. You took me to your mountain tip and then you threw me off. And then you threw me off. Oh, then you threw me off. Threw me off.
Desire of the beat.
Last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the window.
Hey, that's one aspect of it we didn't rule out.
I don't think he
It's
can.
suicide by jumping.
I don't think he can jump.
He's gonna bounce back up.
No. I don't think he can jump and have his feet on the balcony like that. I doubt it.
What do you mean?
No, I don't think so.
Since when are you expecting on suicide?
I'm not an expert on suicide, but I work out and I've done pretty well for myself. And I
did
know
physics.
something about maths.
You did physics.
Like,
What's wrong with his feet?
how did he get up and turn around and face the other way?
Oh, come on!
That's how much of a coward you are. You can't face your own death. Face it! Face first.
And I take it like this.
Exactly.
I'll probably take it like
It's
this.
dumb. Oh, nah.
Window last night, I was so high, almost jumped out of the.
Okay. Rod Wave must stop making fucking pessimistic songs. The reason why you feel sad is because you make sad songs. You know, there's a small thing about problems. Sometimes, yes, you'll never have a life without problems.
Acquire a new gimmick.
But you can't think about your problems all the time because you're going to want to die. Focus on the good stuff.
Yeah.
Focus on the good stuff. Even if the only great part about your day is
It's
the
food.
Food, or is the fact that you can go buy a piece of ass from a local
Or chicken.
lady of the night, prostitutes. Focus on that. Make music about that. You're going to feel happier day by day. I mean, you're going to get chlamydia and stuff like that, but come on, man. It's the small stuff.
My love's all yours, it's all yours from a distance. I was thinking, if you ever need me,
Yes.
come see me. Last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the window. Last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the window. My love's all yours, it's all yours from a distance. I was thinking, if you ever need me, come see me.
For someone who feels sorry for himself, he's very arrogant. What was the name of the other song? Call Me.
Call me.
You want to be called, you want to be seen. How about you do some of those exercises yourself? Go see people, call people, try it.
Come see me.
Listen, I've had dreams where I fall.
I've had a bunch of
And I don't wake up like this. Jump, man. Jump. But yeah, that was Rod Wave.
I would say he has great producers.
Yeah.
He has great producers. Sonically, I can't fuck with you. You can't fuck with him sonically. Like he just makes great sounding songs. Yeah, but the substance is nonsense. As much as there's depth, but it's like, hey man, how sad can you be? It's getting tiring.
Yeah. He's starting to become like the baby with the fast flow. Only difference is his shtick.
Come
is-
kill me now. Like that's his whole thing. I'm tired.
But yeah, that was Rod Wave. Come see me. Please like, subscribe, and suggest music that we should.
And any
be
other thing.
reacting to. And any other thing except porn.
Why would anyone suggest porn?
I'll take DMs for that.
This is why nobody should ever let me lead.
I think my email address is linked.
Never let me lead this
To the
country. I
description.
swear. Do not let me be president. I will cleanse this country. Trust me.
Wait, you're gonna get rid of porn? That's so unfair.
Why?
Why are we gonna get rid of porn?
Because of comments like that. DM me for porn. You sick fuck.
Yeah, but porn is paying a lot of people's bills. OnlyFans is banging. It has put a lot of kids to school. And I don't use the term kid.
And it has put a lot of
loosely.
kids to waste in girls' throats. But that's a story for another day.
Shout out.